Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will check whether something is a file or a folder or directory using Python Pathlib. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous video in which I have discussed the same thing but using OS module, but in this case we will be using Python Pathlib. Okay, so this is very straightforward. You have to do not have to worry. So these are just few lines of code. So at first you have to import. So you have to import path from pathlib. So just the first line you have to write as it is. So from pathlib import path. Okay, and this p should be caps. Now you have to do nothing. You have to just if. So I have written inside if else. So if you have to write if path, and then you have to provide the path. So whatever file or folder you want to check, you have to provide the path, and then we will check using is file. So is file will basically check whether whatever location I have given is a file. If it is true, then it will print it is a file, and if it is a false, it will print it is not a file or it is not present. Now why I have written these two things? So the first thing is I think is okay, if it is a file it will print it is a file, but if it is not a file, why it is saying it is not a file or it is not present? Okay, now see this thing, if it is a not a file, there could be two situations. If it is a not a file, it means it is a folder, means directory, or whatever location I have given, if this does not exist, then also else will be executed. So if I say, if I provide any path which is wrong or which is not there, then also this if will be false, it means else will be printed. So in both the case it could be. So I have written this. Now we will see with the help of example. Okay, so the path I have given is cars.mp4. so this is a video file, cars.mp4 in the home location. So obviously this is a file, so it should return that this is a file. So let me go here, and if I run this, yeah, you can see it is saying it is a file. Obviously this is a file. Okay, cars.mp4 is a file, and we got it correct. Now we do one thing, instead of cars let me write some more thing so that this file is not available. So I've just given a wrong location. Now if I run this, you can see it is not a file or it is not present. So that's why I have written both the thing. Okay, because if someone will see that this is not a file, then you cannot say that it is a folder only or it is a directory. It might be that it is not present. Okay, and in this case, as you can see, whatever path I have given is absent. So that's why it has moved into the else block. So this was how we can check whether it is a file or not. Now we will see if this is a directory or not. Okay, so the only difference is here we are saying is file, and to check the folder or directory we have to just write is dir. Okay, so it will check whether this is a directory or not. And once I have imported this line, so no need to import again. Okay, so the same code, everything is same, just I have changed the location or path. So in this case I have given a path of a folder which is graph. So this folder path I have given. Okay, /home/user /graph. So obviously this is a folder we can see from GUI. So this is a folder. So if I run this dot is dir, so it is asking whether whatever path is I have given, is it is a directory. So obviously this is, so it means this should be printed. So let me run this. Yeah, we can see it is a directory. Okay, now if I give something wrong, anything else which is not present, now if I run this, you can see it is not a directory or it is not present. So both option I can give. So there are two benefits of this code. It will check whether it is a file or directory, and it will also check whether whatever location exists or not. So both thing is possible with the help of this command. So I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys, take care.